Aquarius, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH at ito ang inyong 2024 prediction. So we will see what are the energies coming to you ngayong 2024. This is a general reading. Just take what resonates. Watch your Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus for other messages. And thank you sa lahat ng mga sumusuporta dito sa ating channel. Just a reminder, gamitin nyo lamang ang reading na ito bilang gabay. And pa-follow, like na rin ang ating Facebook at TikTok. Lahat po yan, Mr. Queen PH. And please check out my Shopee. Available ang mga protection and prosperity items, bracelets, zodiac sign bracelets, and many more. Link on the description. Okay, so let's see Aquarius. Ano ang energies for you ngayong 2024? Okay, butterfly. Wow. So there is a transformation, a big change. It's like a metamorphosis, no? Pagbabago. Malaking change. And I think this is, for some of you, glow up ito, no? And of course, kasi Pluto is going to enter the sign of Aquarius sa January. So, talagang you will experience itong major change, transformation in your life ngayong 2024. You also have the ladybug. Itong ladybug, ano siya, swerte. Oo, this brings miracles, divine assistance. So, kung meron mang mga challenges kayong kaharapin ngayong 2024, rest assured, no, na merong tulong, merong assistance na darating sa inyo. May good luck. Okay, let's see what else. You have the whale. Ayan, whale is about balance, no? Kung makita mo, merong dalawang tao rito. Parang ano siya, yin-yang energy, no? So, this is about bringing balance into your life and also pagkakaisa, no? Connecting deeply with others. So, maaring you will gain strong connections or deep connections with other people ngayong 2024. Pwede rin tong romantic connections for some of you na maaring makakilala kayo ng inyong soulmate ngayong 2024. Pwede tong sa romantic na soulmate, pwede rin tong soul family, yung tipong kapalagayan mo ng loob kahit kaibigan lang. Let's see ano pa for Aquarius. You have the 4th house, which is about your home life, your family life. So, merong malaking change na mangyayari sa home life ninyo. Yung iba, you might be buying a new house or moving to a new home, bagong bahay. And some of you will focus on your family life ngayong 2024. You also have Series, which is about nurturing, taking care of your needs, your family's needs. So, I think mas magiging masipag kayo ngayong 2024, Aquarius, dahil inspired kayo sa mga mahal nyo sa buhay. You also have the Leo energy, which is about shining. So, you are going to shine. Maaring meron kang may experience na popularity, no? Pagiging sikat, or being well-known, recognized by a lot of people. Pwede rin maka-achieve ka ng certain form of rewards sa mga gagawin mo, especially if this is related to your talents, your skills. Maari ring meron ka ring leadership role na i-assume ngayong 2024 sa career mo, sa business. And yung iba, if you are into the entertainment industry, whether you are a social media influencer, content creator, artista, you will gain a certain, a huge amount of followers, no? Na a certain audience na naniniwala sa yung kakayanan. So, tinan natin yung energies month by month sa 2024 for Aquarius. January. You have the 7 of Wands. This is challenge and courage. So, maaring in January, you will face some challenges, no? Pero, pinaghandaan mo to. Kumbaga, alam mo kung ano yung gagawin mo, alam mo kung paano mo poprotektahan yung sarili mo. And you are up for the challenge. Kahit na mahirapan ka dyan, you know how to do the work around, no? Kumbaga, alam mo kung paano mo siya gagawa ng solusyon. So, pagdating ng February, you have the Two of Wands. So, this is about partnerships, planning. So, some of you, meron kayong mga plans to travel. Pwede rin meron kayong mga pinaplano. Even ngayon, no? Ngayon pa lang pinaplano nyo na. And then, pagdating ng February, you will definitely work it out or do it with the help of someone that is very close to you. So, ano tong plans na to? Oh, related sa family and home life, no? So, yung iba talaga, pwedeng may plano kayong bumukod, lumipat ng bahay, lumipat ng lugar, ng tirahan. But, sa pagpasok ng taon, pwedeng meron pipigil sa'yo or parang pwedeng i-discourage ka dyan. But, pagdating ng February, I think wala na makakapigil sa'yo dyan. You will pursue whatever you really want, no? Lalo na if ito ay nakikita mo na magbibigay sa iyo ng magandang resulta. Yung iba naman, maaring ipupursue nyo ang work from home ngayong 2024. Whether this is through freelancing, online selling, or any ways to earn money na nasa comfort ka lang ng bahay. Pagdating naman ng March, you have the Five of Cups. So, meron ditong losses. I don't know kung ano to. Tingnan natin. So, parang may malungkot dito. Ano tong Five of Cups? Oh, okay. Five of Cups and then in the 5th house. So, yung iba sa inyo, pwedeng meron kayong ipupursue na mga creative skills ninyo or creative endeavors ninyo. But for some reasons, pwedeng isa sa maging challenge ninyo is mahirapan kayo na ipakita yan or mahirapan kayo na makakuha ng audience agad-agad, no? So, pero nabanggit ko nga sa inyo kanina, you will gain some popularity. I think this is the time for you na mas maniwala at magtiwala ka sa sarili mong kakayanan with the Five of Cups. Dahil, lang yan pagsubok lang yan, no? So, eventually, you will learn from your mistakes. I think kasi pwedeng meron ka dyang parang trial and error. Meron kang magagawa na pwedeng mag-fail, pero pwedeng rin, no? Dibdibin mo yan at feeling mo parang wala ng pag-asa. But, meron siyang pag-asa. Kailangan lang mag-focus ka sa kung ano ba yung meron ka. Hindi doon sa mga nawala na or nasayang. Okay? So, let's see. Pagdating naman ng April. Okay, you have the Ace of Swords. Yes. This is change. This is success. Oh. 'Di ba? Pagkatapos ng pagsubok, ayan, meron ng success. Kasi you are being called to action. Na finally, you know what to do. Alam mo na yung solusyon sa challenge mo na yan. And you will finally take action. And then, pagdating naman ng May, meron ditong Five of Pentacles. Be careful with handling your finances, Aquarius. Maaring maka-experience ka ng struggle sa finances mo pagdating ng May. Syempre, no? Mas maganda na yung handa. Umiwas-iwas muna sa mga unnecessary na mga expenses. Mag-stick ka na lang muna doon sa ano yung importante, ano yung needs talaga, para maiwasan mo yung financial struggle. I also see someone pwedeng hihingi sa inyo ng tulong ang isang kapamilya, kamag-anak, malapit sa iyo, no, ng financial assistance. So, kung ikaw medyo tagilid din or nahihirapan ka rin financially, nagsa-struggle ka, paano mo matutulungan yon, 'di ba? So, I suggest that ngayon pa lang i-focus nyo na yung sarili nyo sa pag-save ng money. Okay? So, let's see. Pagdating ng June, for Aquarius, June, you have the Ace of Pentacles. Oh, ang ganda. This is a new beginning in terms of your finances. So, kung hanggat kaya nyo na tumutulong sa iba, iyan ay ibabalik sa inyo in tenfolds, no? So, ito ay prosperity, a new beginning, a new opportunity for you to earn money, no? Wow. So, yung iba sa inyo, bagong business, pwede rin tong bagong trabaho, bagong mapagkakakitaan. Pagdating ng July, you have the Queen of Pentacles. Ang ganda. So, this is about having stability in your finances. So, unti-unti, makaka-recover ka na from the challenges sa finances mo. Pwede kasing nagkaroon ka ng distraction dito sa mga bagay na hindi nag-work out for you. But eventually, you will bounce back. Pagdating naman ng August, Judgment, yes, this is awakening, acceptance. So I think you will realize what are the things na kailangan mong baguhin sa sarili mo for the better, no? This is reinventing yourself. This is rebirth. This is a brand new you. And then, pagdating ng September, wow. Alam nyo, Aquarius, first half ng 2024, medyo challenging, to be honest. Pero second half na ng 2024, napakaganda ng mga nangyayari sa inyo or mangyayari sa inyo. With the Star card, this is about dreams, inspiration, miracles. So, you will also focus on your healing or yung kalusugan mo, and meron kang dreams na mafu-fulfill by September. So, October naman. October, you have the 5 of Wands. I think you're going to be more competitive, no? Whether this is sa career mo, sa business, or projects that you're doing. Kasi alam mo na kayang-kaya mong ipanalo yan. So, kailangan lang you have that lakas ng loob. So, November naman, you have the 3 of Cups. So, November, meron ka mga isi-celebrate. Pwede itong mga salo-salo, mga events, mga birthdays, or pwede ring celebration because you have achieved something, no? Meron kang na-achieve na success. You will also have more friends. You will connect to more people. So, you will have a big community. So, pagdating ng December, you have the Page of Wands. So, may good news. Kung meron kang hinihintay na magandang balita, no, sa 2024, by December, bago matapos ang 2024, darating yan. Yung iba sa inyo, travel opportunities. Yung iba, having a baby or having a new member of the family. So, let's see. Pagdating naman sa money. Money, career, finances, energies for Aquarius. Just do it. Procrastination will not bring any success at this time. So, kailangan daw you take action. So, if you have ideas sa trabaho, sa business, sa career mo, then just do it, okay? And then, you also have adjustments yan. Ito yung sinasabi ko sa inyo na kailangan yung mag-ingat sa finances ninyo. Wag masyadong gastos ng gastos kasi maaring nga maka-experience kayo ng challenges sa finances niyo, lalo na sa first half ng 2024. So, medyo tipid-tipid. Ayan, meron kang i-experiment sa trabaho, sa career mo. Pwedeng meron kang susubukang business or career na hindi mo pa nasusubukan before. So, ngayong 2024, you will do it. And also, meron daw tutulong sa'yo. Ayan, sinabi ko sa inyo na in times of trouble, in times of needs, someone is willing to help you financially or even to give you other opportunities. So, let's see for love life naman. Love life ng mga Aquarius, meron ditong runner, may passion, merong abundance. So, yung iba sa inyo, meron kayong iiwasan na person na alam nyo na hindi nyo na gusto or you want to move on, you want to move forward, you want to focus on building a stable finances or building a stable financial situation with yourself, or even if you are in a relationship, meron kayong goal na maging financially stable together para ma-enjoy nyo ang life. So, I think meron ka lang iiwasan ng mga tao na alam mong hindi maganda yung intentions towards you. So, you will definitely know if these people ay merong hindi magandang intention sa'yo. Lalo na kung yung parang ang habol lang is the good time but not really serious pagdating sa relationship. So just in case you are single by that time. But for some of you, if you are in a relationship, I think you will focus on creating more money together with your partner. Okay? So that is your reading, Aquarius. Kung nagustuhan nyo ito, naka-resonate kayo, mag-comment kayo dyan, like, share, subscribe para lagi kayong updated sa ating mga readings. Thank you so much, Aquarius. See you again.